Hey guys, what's up? It's Stormy Gaming. Yes, finally my face reveal, isn't it? So yeah, this is my face, guys, and this is the. I don't know if you guys might find it, good or bad or awkward. I don't know. Yeah, so welcome back to a long video. Yes, I know it is long just because I am facing a lot of examination, guys. I tell you, long, badass, freaking examinations. And right now, I am at the age of 15, and teachers are literally killing us. So this is not my room, guys. My room is like in the upstairs. It's like having some renovations. So yeah, I will be showing. Don't worry, I will be showing. And yeah, so how you guys doing? How's the pandemic and all? I don't know what to talk. So if I say about my biography, yeah, this is like an introduction about myself. Of course, it'll be. So I am from Dubai. I was 11 years from Dubai. My name is Amit Krishna though. What the hell? Why am I forgetting that? So my name is Amit Krishna, and yeah, I was from Dubai. I lived in Dubai for 11 years, and it was different because like coming in India, coming in Dubai, it's like different kind of a lifestyle. You guys might understand. And if you guys want to see my gaming, check the description down below. Please check that out if you want to know my gaming. So this video is just like about my biography, my gaming. I came into gaming. It's all about it. So that is about me. I was from Dubai. I used to study in a school named Indian High School in Dubai. It was one of the best schools I've ever learned. I'm not saying that the Indian schools are bad. Indian schools are great. So I had a lot of friends that time. Still, so now also I have a lot of friends. Yeah, and the YouTube revenue. I started my YouTube revenue in 2020 during the freaking Corona pandemic. Wow. So that stupid shit was relentlessly the best I could ever say. Yeah, so everyone was waiting for this face reveal. Yeah, my mom, I have a mom, my dad is working in Dubai. Yeah, so I don't know what to talk to you guys. This is like I'm so tempted to show you guys my face, my stupid face, I could basically say. Yeah, so this is my home. It's now this is not my home. I'll show you guys, but right now it's like a bit renovation is having in my home, so kind of dusty, kind of painty stuffs are around. So I'll be showing you guys slowly. Yeah, I'll be showing you guys slowly because I can't like move one step ahead. There's paint, dust all over here, so there's like a dusty face reveal challenge, I could basically say. So yeah, my gaming career started all in 2020 at the pandemic. I told you guys I have an SU stuff gaming laptop. Yeah, and I also showed you guys one of my recent awesome. I could not say if it's awesome or not. It for me it's awesome. It's a big deal. The headsets and the gaming mouse also. So that I hope you guys have seen it. And I don't know why, just till now I have 49 subscribers. You guys aren't like seeing my video, just not subscribing it. That's not fair. Come on, guys. You should subscribe, please. Please subscribe, guys. Please help me out. So I study in a school, an awesome school named Delta Study in Fort Kochi. I have some lit friends. I don't want to mention them, but they're still the latest friends I ever had. If you guys want to follow my Instagram, link in the description below. You guys can click that and follow me if you guys want to help. Of course, you guys should help me in YouTube because I don't have that kind of revenue, or I should basically say subscribers. So please help me with that. You know that's all I could say. You guys need, yeah, I need a lot of help from you guys. I have to download the games right now because it's a lot of big update for Apex, Fortnite. A lot of updates are coming. And also, guys, I deleted Hitman, and I had Hitman with me. I forgot to tell that. Before Watch Dogs, I had Hitman with me, and I installed that and I downloaded Rocket League. So yes, I will be uploading that. So stay tuned. And GTA 5 online is having a big update, so that's a big kind of revenue, big kind of a good thing to me. Well, it's big deal for me. and Apex is having a new character, Fuse. I forgot to tell the new characters Rampart and Horizon. They are lit too, no offense. They are so good. Rampart is, I think so. I introduced you guys Rampart. I think so. I didn't introduce Horizon. So basically, Horizon is like a scientific kind of a related character. She's like, she can build a black hole. Damn. A black hole, and she's like related to gravity. She's like, could basically say the niece of whom? Who's the father of gravity? God, I can't remember who's the freaking father of gravity. Shit, who's it? Oh my god. Jesus, it's in my head. I can't get. Yeah, Isaac Newton. No, 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 no. It's not Isaac Newton. Shit. Oh my god, I can't remember. God damn it. Einstein. Yes, got it. Einstein. Finally. Einstein. Sorry, guys. I'm literally the dumbest kid in the school. Einstein, yes, I think so. This Horizon, the new character, yeah, the previously recent character in Apex is Horizon. She's like related to gravity and stuff. So I think she's basically related, like the niece of Einstein. Dude, I literally suck in physics, guys. I literally suck in physics, maths. I can't bear them. Also, chemistry. It's killing me. 10th standard is literally ripping my head off. My mom is like kind of a strict. She was a teacher. She used to teach here in Kerala, some school, SDPY. Yeah. So if I talk about more about myself, I told my name, Amit Krishna. If you guys didn't find it, I hope you got it right now. Yeah, I'm kind of an awkward idiot. It's like say some stupidity in between the videos. I don't know what I'm telling. I'm like a dumbass. So yeah, Corona was literally stupid as hell. Many of the legends died. I could not mention them. A lot of them have died. It's been different. It's just been bad. I could basically say. So yeah, thank you for the views though. Thank you everyone for the views you have given me. Basically, lot in Fortnite with my cousin brother. Guys, be aware I will be showing my cousin brother in the recent upload. So stay tuned for that. And also the Mad brother, the disco disco dancer. We basically say, I hope you guys know that, right? Yeah, the disco guy who just played a song in between the games. Yeah, him. He will be also mentioning. So be aware. Yeah, so I don't know how to express this. I will be revealing my faces in my next videos because I got a camera. So yeah, that's a good news. And I am also using Elgato. So yeah, it'll be kind of easy for me to, show my face in the screen and start playing. So yeah, I think it's convenient. So right now, I just want to tell you guys, love you guys for the subscribers. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone who gave me that. I hope everyone is safe around home. I don't want anyone, anyone who is, if it's subscribers, not subscribers, if it's haters, it's not haters. They should all be safe. I give a shit about them. Right? So, yeah, I used to talk a lot. I know that I'm like Thanos. Yeah, I used to play basketball, football. Yeah, I like playing basketball much better than football because I'm like I'm so high. If you guys can see me, this is me. I'm so height. Basically, say that's my height. Yeah, and nonetheless, I also do play volleyball. It's fun. No, I could say it's really fun. It's not that bad. So I do like every sports. I don't say that hockey is bad, badminton is bad, what could I say, tennis is bad. No, I like every sports. There's no obligation in them. And everyone are friends, guys. I won't restrict haters. Haters are the ones who help me increase my ability to play games or edit videos properly. I haven't learned yet to edit videos. I have to learn. My brother is teaching me. So yeah, I will be editing again videos, guys. Right now, these all videos are just to express what I am to you guys or to the YouTube. That's all. There's nothing much in it. I will be editing, that's for sure. I will be editing. That's why I downloaded Elgato. So that will be helping me out and also showing my face. So yeah, that's all I can say. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the subscriber button. Please help me out. Help me with the likes. Press the bell notification on. So yeah, I hope you guys stay safe. Bye bye. Peace.